Askwera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karikitanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa garoga subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe takigirai nyaya buritswa na bageza Buddha vachitaura vakanangana na Christopher Mutsvangwa vaudzwa vachitaura ivo vachinzi you should be careful nemunhu ari kushanda naye hanzi vamunangagwa is the one akaisa mwana wake Nevi Mutsvangwa mujeri hanzi at the same time apo paiwanikwa vana vake Munangagwa vachiita all the same dealings mure Zimbabwe. Apiwa warning Christopher Mutsvangwa achinzi avhure maziso NaGeza. So there's an audio atakuvigira yatiroti mungonzwa vaGeza vachitaura tuva Mutsvangwa pamusoro penyaya iyi mure Zimbabwe. Vaendera mberi vaGeza vachitaura vachiti aiwa the time is now. It's time for Munangagwa to step down, to move out of the office mure Zimbabwe. Tikati kuwesta nguva yatiroti mungonzwa zvataurwa na vaGeza mwamadza zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.
Surround himself with such people simply because he is one of them. Christopher Mutsvangwa, my friend, we seek to appeal to your conscience. We have been our brother. We have stood together. But your statement, although half-hearted, was just a pity. How do you defend a person who arrested your son like a common criminal over things that his children do daily? While your son was being held in a remand prison on charges of selling sterling, this rogue president was giving Shigananda a license without even consulting Potras. Is that a president you want? Munangagwa, the people of Zimbabwe are charging you with the following. 1. Presiding over a failed state. A nation that has failed its people. 50% of Zimbabweans are in poverty, while over 80% are jobless. You and your government has no plan whatsoever to correct these mistakes and failures. 2. Constitutional abuse of office. You have captured the judiciary for personal gains, firing judges willy-nilly, and issuing threats when judgments don't conform to what you want. You have destroyed the very core of our democracy and legal system. 3. You have turned state resources to a personal playground, ceding state duties to your wife, who is abusing state resources, and he has become a Tsarian who hires and fires government workers at your whims. You have presided over corruption, weaponizing ZAC for your own political fights. Your children and yourself are at the center of all corrupt activities. You invite criminals to State House because you yourself are a thief. 5. You have stolen people's happiness. Munangagwa must therefore just go. And as we move forward, this is our plan. We put enough mechanism to make sure the revolution will not be hijacked again. Going forward, all stakeholders of various parties and civil groups will be consulted on every step we take. We want to liberate all, so this should never be viewed as a ZANU-PF internal fight. It should never be converted into such. We are going to call for action soon. Stock up in preparation for a national shutdown as we march to a free Zimbabwe. This was prophesied long back. Mure Zimbabwe, Get ready for action. Be ready for action once you receive the signal. We have called upon you to step down peacefully, and immediately you have ignored. The people are going to force you to step down in line with the provisions of the Constitution. Once you go, we'll allow for a transition to a democratic government where people's voices are heard and their rights are respected. Stand guided, warned, or entertained. The choice is yours. We are not afraid of you. Never. We are not afraid of your propaganda machine.
Ndofunga mangozunzura mega muri Zimbabwe zvataurwa na vaGeza on vaMutsvangwa. VaMutsvangwa vakanga vabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti my actions by vaGeza and they are treasonous and he could face jail, but vaGeza vabuda vachitaura vachiti aiwa vaMutsvangwa ngavavhure ziso ngavaone. VaMutsvangwa vakanga vabuda munyaya yakabudidzwa neAfrican Press vachitaura ivo vachiti ZANU-PF has thrown its weight behind President Emmerson Mnangagwa and the party's decision to extend his second and final term from 2028 to 2030. This follows recent calls for Mnangagwa's resignation by Central Committee member Blessed Geza and some more veterans who accuse him of constitutional violations, escalating corruption and betraying the ideals of the liberation struggle. Geza and several other veterans are opposed to resolution number 1 from the ZANU-PF Annual National People's Conference held in Bulawayo in October 2024, which calls for the extension of Mnangagwa's term beyond 2028. In a statement issued on Wednesday, February 5, ZANU-PF Secretary for Information and Publicity and Party spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa said the party would take disciplinary action against Geza for his remarks, said Mutsvangwa. The outlandish, treasonable rantings of errant Runesu Geza offended the hallowed tenets of the party discipline for a member of the Central Committee. They also involved reckless attempts to usurp the credentials of 4 veteran entities in good standing with ZANU-PF, the party of the Permanent Zimbabwean Revolution. The relevant party organs of organization and discipline are currently seized with this contravention, as it is holistically and expeditiously handled and dispensed with. The Department of Information assures the party membership of absolute loyalty of the rank and file supporters of President Mnangagwa, and that they retain full confidence of the full and legal implementation of resolution number 1 of the October 2024 Bulawayo Conference under the 2018 Constitution of Zimbabwe. Those are zvakaangezwa buditswa zvitaurwa muri Zimbabwe the African News. Muri Zimbabwe tikaziva kuti munoona sei nyaya yetu, udziwo zvamuri kufunga mu comment section.